But baby girl, I'm here alone. My heart is dying, turning to stone. And I want you to know that I won't let you go. And you don't understand how it feels. It's so surreal, baby girl. And you won't understand how it feels. Baby, it's pain real. And
Hi guys, so this is Artesia, and pretty much I'm forming the bra shape. And what I did was grab some tape and I just kind of wrapped around both wires together to kind of make sure that it's sturdy and it's not going to fall apart. Then I kind of form the bra part where I'm making a V-shaped point. It's pretty much simple. You're just kind of bending it to that shape, and then you're going to cut the wire, and you're also going to tape that in also as well.
want you to know that I'm here for you, baby, and I won't let go. Want you to see it's you and me, baby, if you let it be. And I don't think you understand that I want.
So you guys, I did glue the wire where I'm just basically wrapping the ribbon around the wire. Be careful guys, because it is extremely hot. So I was basically waiting till it kind of got tacky and cooled down to kind of wrap the thing. So now here it is. It's very beautiful. You have the gold wrapped around the wire. So now I basically took some pads that I got from my shoulder pads, yeah, with school. And pretty much you can get these pads also from Michael's. You can get them from Joann's. Pretty much I'm just gluing around and patting it down and clamping it down so that way it doesn't go nowhere. The cushion adds stability, and it just adds that oomph to the bra. Also you guys, if you have some plastic, what I did was glue the rhinestones on the plastic so that way it's just easier for me instead of putting one by one on the bra. So pretty much I cut it the plastic around the rhinestones and I just placed it on the bra. So now here is the final touch to the bra. I added the ribbon to the loops on top, and I added ribbons to the side of the bra. So this is basically the final bra, and next I have to do the underwear.
My heart is dying, turning to stone.
So you guys, basically I'm shaping my underwear to basically, what you guys have to realize is that I messed up actually, where I should have measured with it being stretched, because I was like, oh shoot, you know, it doesn't make sense because the way that they do sew it, you have to make it the correct size. So I stretched it out to make it longer, measured it on me to make sure. Of course I had to add an extra piece because the front I didn't stretch it, so I had to add that extra piece. So you guys, I did use my glove because yeah, it gets hot when you're patting it down, that's for sure. So pretty much I'm gluing it, and what you have to realize too is that the fabric also shrinkens the clothes. Like when you add fabric and you're tightening it close together, it actually makes it harder to stretch, so you have to be careful also. So basically I'm adding the rhinestones, you guys, to the underwear, and I must say that I'm very happy with this, and voila, it's just good to go.